Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about motion of an object.
Let's begin. What science word best describes this kind of motion? And the correct answer is letter C, pattern. A ball rolls down one side of a bowl, passes through the middle, and continues moving. Which image best shows where the ball will go next? And the correct answer is letter A, ball rolls up the opposite side. What is the best word for telling what will probably happen next? And the correct answer is letter B, prediction.
A pendulum swings 24 times in 1 minute. If it keeps moving at the same rate, which image best shows what will likely happen in the next minute? And the correct answer is letter C. Pendulum swings about 24 times again. Where will the ball most likely be at 5 seconds? And the correct answer is letter A, middle. One magnet pushes another magnet away. The moving magnet slides to the right during every trial. Which image best predicts the next motion? And the correct answer is letter B, magnet moves, right?
Where will the pendulum most likely be at for seconds? And the correct answer is letter C, left. A student times several complete back and forth motions of a swing and records for seconds for seconds and for seconds, which shows the best conclusion. And the correct answer is letter C. The swing repeats in about for seconds. How far will the ball most likely roll in trial 5? And the correct answer is letter A, 10 centimeters.
A seesaw moves left side up, level, left side down, level. What comes next? And the correct answer is letter C, left side up. Where will the toy car most likely be at 6 seconds? And the correct answer is letter C, right. A hanging weight swings in this pattern. Left, middle, right, middle. Which image best shows what will happen after it reaches the left side again? And the correct answer is letter A. It passes through the middle.
True or false? The loose magnet will probably move away to the right during the next trial. And the correct answer is letter C, true. A student measures a ball's distance from the middle of a bowl and records this pattern: 0 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 0 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 0 centimeters, which shows the most likely next distance. And the correct answer is letter B, 7 centimeters. True or false? Past observations of repeating motion can provide evidence for predicting future motion. And the correct answer is letter A, true.
Scientists observe a regular motion pattern in a swing, bowl, pendulum, seesaw, curved track, or magnet setup. What should they do with the evidence? And the correct answer is letter C. Use the pattern to make a prediction. If the pattern continues, where will the rocking chair most likely move next? And the correct answer is letter C. Forward. A child on a spring rider moves through this pattern, up, middle, down, middle, which shows the next likely position. And the correct answer is letter A, up.
Where will the yo-yo most likely be next? And the correct answer is letter A, middle. A marble moves through a wavy track in this order: hilltop, valley, hilltop, valley, which shows the next likely position. And the correct answer is letter C, marble reaches another hilltop. Where will the boat most likely be next? And the correct answer is letter B, near.
A ribbon tied to a turn and jump rope passes close to the ground once during every complete turn. Which image best predicts the next turn? And the correct answer is letter C, ribbon passes the ground again. When will the toy most likely pass the green arrow again? And the correct answer is letter B, 20 seconds, which shows motion that provides the strongest evidence for predicting where an object will move next. And the correct answer is letter A, object repeats the same motion pattern.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.